Professional way.
Hello family, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying to get the ramp going because it's not working still. Have you just shit yourself again? Oh my god, that stinks! What the fuck? Adam, what have you been eating, son?
Can you pass me the posy?
The prosy?
Right next to it, I'm stuck here.
It's in the back of my throat. So Jack's we're trying to rewire it directly to the inverter because originally we had it on this bad boy, but we couldn't get it to go. So now we're trying to wire it directly and use the inverter to control. Adam keeps shitting himself. Jack's just done the Michael Jackson slide down here. Cut all
Look at the marks on the floor.
Oh my god. Cooks and Co is doing a timing. Is it a belt or a chain?
Belt, mate.
It's a belt. We're doing a belt on the AB.
Timing belt, water pump. It's just a ball ache, everything has to come off.
How long overdue has this been?
About 10,000 miles, maybe like 2 years.
We're playing AB lottery, to be fair.
Always.
AB lottery. You never know when it's going to go.
We don't do stuff when it's needed.
Maybe interference, maybe not. Who knows? Is it interference?
Definitely interference.
Definitely interference. It's like high compression.
I'm being the unit bitch today. Passing around tools.
Right, I'll attempt to come down somehow.
Without the engine falling off the fucking...
This actually going to come off?
It'd be nice if it does.
Oh, I've just dented the roof by accident. Jack's not happy.
Why am I getting all damage?
You can punch it from the bottom, it'll be fine.
Cheers, mate.
We're getting a really good angle from up here. Great YouTube content.
I'm a maintenance engineer, just so everyone knows, so I'm safe.
Safety, he says, and he foots the ladder with a Grand Vitara.
It'll be safe it was earlier. Oh, so the full motor's going to come off here.
Yeah, I know, you're taking the motor out there, son.
Actually, little grippy boys should do. Actually,
Little
no, go
grippy
big
boys.
boys.
Technical terms, big grippy bodies. Fuck me, got a full toolbox up here, Sam.
Oh, I have to have the full.
Oh, shit.
It's heavy.
That's a lot of copper, let's sell it.
I'm not. No, you're not putting on the roof.
What, do you think I'm going to be able to carry it?
Put it nice. I'm putting it nicely. Stay where you are.
I've stayed where
My
I am.
roof is going to be fucked.
Hey, look. Alphabet with Jack.
Oh, that's hot.
Give him lanky legs go.
Spider-Man.
So hey guys, welcome to my motor tutorial. Today I don't know what I'm looking at. That's there from 1984. Right, what? Vicar, how do you count the motors? Because it's just copper and shit.
Let's have a look.
50 quid for treatment one. 60 quid.
Fucking root canal's just fallen out.
That's disgusting.
I didn't even beat anything.
So what are you doing that?
So we're trying to figure out how many poles it is. It's quite confusing. Like, we thought it was 2 poles, but I mean, there's a lot.
Okay, so we think we've definitely not figured it, but maybe the wires are on wrong. So we've gone L1, L2, L3, which are actually wired 1, 2, 3. So A, B, C on the motor for the motor poles, which Google says is right. We also found that it's a 24 slot motor, but possibly only 2 poles. Cam's belt's going on. Is it? Is the belt on? Look at that. It's almost on.
Nearly.
Cam's going to use that as his new kinky toy.
What if I say?
And then James, another hairdresser's car in the unit.
All by myself.
Well, the engine's in.
Yeah, and what? It took me about 20 minutes. Huh? No messing around.
When's the dyno day, James?
Next Monday. To make more power.
Well, what day is it today? Tuesday. So you got a week, just under a week.
Yeah, easy.
Easy, light work, bro.
Could have it running today.
So, I mean, that's taking the piss really.
Oh, really?
You watch. By
Where's-
the end of this video,
That'll be running. Just cut that part out.
2 full videos on YouTube of us trying to get this fucking thing working.
Great content. Right.
Come on, feed. I was trying to give you these. What were they? What the fuck? Why are you cutting shit? Right, as you can see, it's now dark. I'm still struggling to get this thing to go up and down.
Same, mate.
Cam's timing belt's been done.
We're scared.
These guys couldn't wait around for me to get here with the camera, so there's not a full video on this. I mean, if anyone would want to watch this anyways.
Race cars. I thought would because there's no videos on how to fucking do one. They're all just how to do a Fiat 500.
It's the same car.
Fucking bullshit. Where's the cap for it? What are you done with it? Fucking
Don't need
over
it.
here.
It needs to bleed anyways.
Yeah.
What water are you using, Adam?
It's fresh out of tap.
We've got hard water as well in Yorkshire, mate. Hard water. You're gonna get so much lime scale build up in your cooling system, son.
Good. Can't fucking say. No, we are going to flush it at some point.
It's there, it's fine.
For the viewers. We are going to flush it at some point.
Coolant viewers, content.
We don't want anyone
Right, start
commenting.
then.
What are you doing?
Yeah, give her
I'm
Come on,
nervous.
Kat.
Vicar, why am I so nervous?
Take it for a spin.
Lift it a few times.
I've spun it about 20 times.
Yeah, do it on the key still, though.
I don't want to do it. I'm too scared. Make sure it's not in gear. I'm so
Make sure it's not in gear. What's it gonna do? Spin the wheels? It's not even cranking.
Good.
Give her a go.
Well, no valves have hit any pistons yet.
So we'll give you a rundown. Basically, we took the motor off the ramp, had it on the test bench, got it spinning up. Vic almost snapped his hands off from the torque, went absolutely flying, and then.
You won't go near it because you're an absolute faggot.
All right, I didn't want to die. And then now we've just done a test run. Jack reached for the stars, as he said.
You go on.
Go all the way.
Yeah. Oh my god, no. What? Calm it down.
What just happened then?
Just drop it down a bit, Vicar. Oh wow.
Jack, please.
You can't go anywhere, it's on the arm.
Right, are we cleared for liftoff?
Yes.
Do we have flight authorization?
Yes.
That was the most biggest waste of time. We've literally just stripped the motor out, bench tested it, put it back on, and it got that high. Welcome to SATTIRE unit. Error 11. 11's a new one, isn't it?
What did 11 mean?
I don't know.
Beautiful.
Oh, these wasn't washers in here because the car's on level, even though it's maxed out.
As you can see, the ramp's in the air with the car on it. These two
Day
gimps.
36 of the voyage.
Where's it gone?
These gimps managed to. Well, we collectively managed to figure it out, but these gimps fixed it.
Yeah, no, we'll try. We'll tack it. We'll try it.
Restrict it.
Yeah.
Let me try some. Don't try to snap. Right, try now.
Yeah.
Can we see the 8-ball?
Oh yes, feels good in hand. Right.
Beautiful.
Give us some.
Woo!
Oh my eyes!
I looked into it!
Guess the settings first time. Boom. Professional.
Was it
welder.
exactly the same that we've been putting in the entire time?
No. I'm on about the welder settings.
Oh, the welding settings. Yeah.
Just know what I'm doing.
That is how it's properly well, not fucking.
Give her the leak test, Jones.
I mean, she's still glowing a bit.
Razzle dazzle.
Look at that. Proper lock release.
What an upgrade.
And now if you walk into it, it's not a fucking big sharp edge.
Sharp edge.
Yeah, it doesn't look like fucking bird shite on the ting.
I like that, that's good that. So put all fresh P-clips in here, so this is nice and solid now, not battling around.
Ah. So this is the problem with Jack. He gets a bit OCD with everything.
Yeah.
It worked, and then now it's
really working.
and now it's pretty working. Nice. Where's the?
Yeah.
Right, we've got the pokey stick. The sun's in my eyes. It hurts. We're on. We're live. To the moon! She's got a bit of power, hasn't she? That's kind of
A little
scary.
bit more.
I think we need some more hydraulic fluid.
There you go. And if you just kick that hand now.
I'll just drop it down.
You go, should go into the locks.
Look at that! Fucking, you can literally like stand under it.
Finishing touch, this.
Captain Ducky. That's definitely just gonna fall off there.
I guarantee you will not.
She's on there for life. Captain Duck.
That's not really hard, isn't it?
He's amazing now, doesn't struggle at all.
Devolve the ducky. I think this has made it worse.
It's just gonna face plant.
This has made it way worse. No. Ah!
Oh, you just
Stop.
touched.
That's hot! I just burnt my skin.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
God.
Down she comes. You're gonna burn your belt or something.
Get in here, come in here. There's this bit here.
Oh,
and all
this is what needs, this is, by the way, this is what needs welding over winter for Jack.
Right, and then there's. Did we ever weld the inside of that off?
I've done the outside he's doing.
Oh, you need to weld all of that up in there.
The back corner he's doing.
That whole back of the sill and up here.
Basically the entire sill on both sides and the chassis mounts need doing. So the full body's got to come off.
Bearing in mind this is quite a tall car already. Look at the fucking side.
See, slow acceleration, shoes.
Oh my god.
Don't you wiggle that fucking leg! I'm pushing you out.
Oh, look at that. Pro wiring job that, safe that.
No, 500 and Nate goes bald.
I'm not going bald, because my hair won't grow back.
Look, I'm already receded,
You
lad.
should let me give you a buzz cut. It would suit you.
I think a buzz cut would
No,
suit you.
no it wouldn't. Look, I've got massive
Ears,
Yeah,
like.
exactly. You've got a receding, so you may as well go bald.
I've got a receding. Look, boys, this is not.
Why don't you do yourself a little top knot?
I'm not.
I'll trim them with these.
We do a montage of the haircut, the trim.
I've already done it on Adam.
I reckon 3 second. No, I reckon we blindfold you and Alex just has fun with your hair.
No,
Pass me the.
this is so cringy.
Don't knock his head. I'm gonna laugh.
He cut my ear last time.
I'm just watching.
Feel how
man.
sharp
I ain't
these
got
blades
anything in my
are.
hands, I'm
Just feel how
watching.
sharp they are a second, Jack.
Yeah, he cut my ear.
They cut real clean though.
He cut real clean. I was fucking bleeding for hours.
There we go, we'll just leave them with a line.
What's this drip? What?
Look at that.
Are you doing a willy?
I'm just doing an ear.
What's going on here? I feel like the laughing stock.
Got some lift upgrades. Giving a fresh coat of pale black paint.
seen the 8-hole on the.
Yeah, I quite like that. Whose idea was that?
Jack's, obviously.
Still got that here.
You just pitted. You missed the middle with the thing. Very black.
Bougie, mate.
Hello, sir. That was close.
I've got sliders on there. Some fat seats these, but
We're off on a family adventure.
Nah, no one's lifting anymore though. It's slammed.
Batties!
The full family in here.
bad for your boys.
Bye.
She fucking moves. Just smoke me out.
You are the reason why this planet's getting warmer.
Yes. At Tom Allen.
You know, like, what happened to 20 quid, son?
I'll do 40.
Around.
Give him a penny, son. What's he got? Give us a
Little
hole.
crisps. Buggles. You haven't tried them? Try
Bugles. Bugless.
Bugless.
Chop pips. Fried not pop.
Right, so Nathan himself here is getting a haircut. And we seem to have a bit of a sabotage today. From a close friend. There's no fixing that, lad.
I've done some pattern work on the back of the bed.
As you can tell, Jones is not happy.
He is not.
Yes, you can all stay in my fucking peripheral vision.
James, it's on you this one.
Right, as punishment.
Punishment for what? What have I fucking done?
Not for you, for them. Obviously, Alex here is going to have to fix the the notch. As punishment, he's getting a buzz cut and he's getting a buzz cut. I don't know why he's getting one, because he's done that wrong.
Turn the camera around. You're getting one as well.
Yeah, I can feel. I'm not taking the front off with this. That'll be way too sharp.
What's that?
I'm gonna do the front face, just so that I don't.
Oh lad, this is too much. Jack was racking there.
Are you not just buzzing it?
No going back now. No, because if I buzz it, I'll take it shorter than I.
Right, you know what this reminds me of, right? Oh, Cam, fuck off.
Wait, just trust.
Step into the green seat where I can fucking see you. I don't trust you.
He's still lying.
You best fucking subscribe.
He's put the line on her own and the line's still.
Yeah, but obviously when he fades it in, it's not going to be work.
What are we doing here, Vicar?
Making a swing.
Oh, man.
Do some more height, lad.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
The trim is complete. Wouldn't say there's much of an improvement.
Just you wait. 2023 is my year.
This is not your year right now, lad.